Assalamualaikum friends, here is social media banner template for Photoshop. Here is a preview in JPG and here is PSD for Photoshop editable template, but these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and pine for lifetime. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number, and here is my Facebook page. I will provide every video here like YouTube channel. Follow this. And last is Sheri SK official channel on Telegram. Follow this or subscribe. I will provide every link of video first here or any other notification. So first is preview of banner. Wow. So you can change everything in PSD. Now you see you can import everything. For example, open this one, open extract Victor smart object. Here is a background, here is background. Okay, double click, you can import anything and press Ctrl S and our image is here. Oh sorry, you can change color. Now open any one, extract, here is content like a text, here is a background. So you can import any photo and right click here. For example, open this one, resolution is okay, drag here. You see here is a fashion. Simply extract, import your own photo. I hope these are useful for you. Follow this and download this app for password. Subscribe this for every notification of video here. Take care. Allah Hafiz.